Hey guys, it's Liz! Welcome back to my channel. Medyo matagal-tagal na hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video. So, I'm very excited to film this one. And kung mapapansin nyo, medyo nag-iba yung boses ko. That's because I'm not feeling well. I have sore throat and runny nose. But that's okay. Anyway, for this video, I will be doing a haul. So, I will be showing you guys the things that I got from Yoyoso. Okay, so nabili ko to there in Ayala Center, Cebu. Yoyoso is beside Watson's, yung malaking Watson's na nasa taas ng Mango. Their products are very, very nice and napakamura lang din. Like, most of the things I got here is for like 99 pesos only or 199. And they're not only selling skincare products but also makeup, stationeries, accessories for your gadgets, and a lot more. Masakit na yung lalamunan ko sa kakasalita. So, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing I got is this DIY face mask. And 50 sheets siya, guys. I bought this one because I will be filming another video. So, I hope abangan nyo yun. So, yan yung itsura niya. This one is for 99 pesos only. This one is like an aroma something. So, yung scent niya is Blue Ocean. Meron ding rose, but I want this one kasi feeling ko mas relaxing to. This one is for 99 pesos only as well. There. Next, I got this Korean Simple Sub bottling set. And, ayan, man siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lima na siya sa loob. And this one is for 99 pesos. Ayan, so let's open this one up. Wait lang, paano ito buksan? Teka lang. Ay, hindi pala siya mabubuksan kasi meron siyang tag. Basta ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. Okay, next, meron ako mga ganito. It's for the blackheads. So, meron siyang step 1, step 2, and step 3. So, step 1 is heating sheet. Step 2 is the blackhead clear sheet. And then, step 3 is the tightening sheet. Same as this one. Okay, next, I got this M.X.Z Clean Face Water Remover Towel. A touch of net quick remover. So cute. And this one is for 99 pesos only. Next, I got this Water Glow Snail Cream Silk Mask. And yeah, wala na akong maintindihan dito. Lahat pang Korean na. This one, wala siyang price na nakalagay. Yeah, wala siyang price na nakalagay sa likod. There. This is the Toner Series Rose Water. So, 500 ml na siya, guys. For 199. So, napakalaki niya na. See? 199 lang to. This one is the Rose Moisturizing Toner, and meron siyang instructions. After cleansing, take the right amount of this product, blah blah blah. Then for body, ay, pwede din pala sa body. And meron siyang nakalagay na for body. Wait lang, tanggal natin yung light. So the last item that I got is this Hydrating Eye Silk Mask. Ayan siya. So, this one is for 199 only. Ayan. Super mura lang talaga sa Yoyoso, guys. Tapos, ang ganda ng mga products nila. So, I'm going to open this one. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ilan yung laman niya. Wait lang. Medyo mahirap siya. Tanggalin na. There. Ang dami niya, guys, for 199. Ayan. Wow. So, ito. 6, 7, 10. So, 10 siya. And it's for 199. So, like, So those are the things that I got from Yoyoso. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a comment down below suggesting any videos you want me to film soon. Till my next video, bye-bye!